I'm an activist here.
Activist.
I work at the
And you
council.
fight
I'm a
for who?
cleaner for the general justice.
Okay.
General justice.
You're a good man.
Even for you, if people came to you and they say you are a white guy,
Yeah.
you are that and that and that, I will stand up for you.
Well, that's encouraging. I would
Yeah.
have thought so.
Mm.
Okay. Right?
I subscribe to fairness
And honesty and
justice,
integrity.
honesty.
Got it.
And you know, honesty is the best policy in the world. But it was nice to meet you.
Right then. Of
And
course.
there's not about anything about race or about what. It's about humankind.
Oh, absolutely.
Like
Absolutely.
humankind.
Ek het gisterand gesê ek wil die Koos ontmoet.
Oh, you heard about him.
I told him about
but
last
he-
night.
but
The bartender
Ja,
told
maar
him.
die
What do you drink, Chris?
No, that thing is Brandes. Brandes is Coke, is Olofberg of Riesling.
Ja, sy-
You know
nee,
brandewyn.
goed. Hy ken sy brandewyn ook.
Drink my so, né?
Ja.
Okay.
But I'm drinking Riesling. Riesling is a pure brandewyn.
But you fight for
Listen.
freedom and honesty, integrity and all that stuff. You're
Dat
an activist,
jy
right?
activist vir
Yeah,
wat
activist.
You're an activist.
Activist for freedom, justice, and fairness, and then.
So
and
jy
then
is nie
supposed to-
partygebonde?
No.
Okay.
I'm not political. It's not
Yeah.
political. For me, justice, and justice is fairness. Justice is integrity. Justice is equal rights. And that is why I will defend you if you walk out of this building here.
Yeah.
And someone get you across the street and someone told you, you white people, you people you are settlers of Germany, but you are a genuine human being. We are world citizens. No, I'm talking about world citizens.
Ah.
The only difference is our
Pigmentation.
skin, the pigmentation. In you is good. In you is humankind. So I will stand up for you.
Sure.
I won't allow people outside here to come and tell you any nonsense.
Okay.
You are a white.
But I have my knife with me, okay?
No, not a knife. You don't have
Ek het
to.
'n mes by my. So, Mama, thanks for your concern. And keep fighting for the right things. Koos. Want ons gaan nou nog uitloop nou. Haas hy moers geraas daar buite.
It's just the culture of people.
look,
I know on your ear.
music. No.
What
I'm not
music do
from
you
a dove
like? You
world.
like Beethoven or you like what
Okay.
music?
Beethoven.
Classic
Okay.
and-
No. Flat out boere musiek.